Very good evening. You're watching the headlines with me. I'm Deepavali Hazra. The government has declared the novel coronavirus outbreak in the country a notified disaster. This means the government will provide compensation and aid to infected people and the families of those who were killed by the virus. Funds for this and other measures will be drawn from the disaster response funds of each state, the government has said. Heavy rains accompanied by hailstorms lashed parts of Delhi and caused traffic jams. The minimum temperature settled at a notch above normal, even as the skies remained cloudy through the day. According to the Met Office, more showers are expected in the evening. However, untimely rains and hailstorms do not bode well for farmers. 3 of the 5 COVID-19 suspects who had earlier escaped from Mayo Hospital in Nagpur have returned. Now police will be deployed outside the isolation ward to keep an eye on them. Out of the people who had earlier left the institute, 1 had tested negative and reports of other 4 were awaited. Meanwhile, the wife of a Google employee in Bengaluru who escaped quarantine after her husband tested positive for the novel coronavirus on Thursday was traced to a residential colony in Agra on Friday, and now she's being kept in an isolation ward and her sample has been sent for testing. Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain said that N95 masks should only be used by healthcare workers or those who are displaying symptoms, not by healthy people. The Delhi government has also constituted teams to take action against hoarding and overcharging for masks and hand sanitizers. Some pharmacies had stopped selling N95 masks due to increase in prices. The number of positive coronavirus cases in India rose to 83 on Saturday, with a new case being confirmed in Delhi. The man was among 83 people admitted at the Manesar facility on Wednesday after being evacuated from coronavirus hit Italy. He was later shifted to Safdarjung late night on Friday. India has recorded 2 deaths due to the virus so far. A study in the medical journal Lancet has found that the mean age of the 827 people who died due to the coronavirus in Italy was 81 years. More than 2/3 of those who died had diabetes, cardiovascular diseases, or cancer, or were former smokers as well. However, the coronavirus was the reason that caused their deaths finally. They wouldn't have died otherwise. Senior Congress leader Digvijaya Singh took a jibe at Jyotiraditya Scindia for switching colours, saying that the hunger for power is more important for some people than ideology. Taking to Twitter, Singh said that he never expected Scindia to switch parties for a cabinet berth. National Conference leader Farooq Abdullah met his son and party leader Omar Abdullah at the place where the latter has been detained in Srinagar under Public Safety Act. On Friday, Farooq Abdullah was released from detention after 7 months. In a big setback to terror-accused Yasin Malik, a Jammu Tada court has said there is enough prima facie evidence to prosecute him in the case pertaining to the killing of unarmed Air Force officers in Kashmir in 1990. The next hearing will be held on March the 16th. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.